NIH NLN logo watermark in the top right-hand corner. Title: My Early Career as an Experimentalist. An excerpt from A Conversation with Eugene Koonin, Ph.D., November 2022. Patricia Flatley Brennan, RN, Ph.D., Director, National Library of Medicine. Dr. Brennan is seated with Dr. Koonin at a table in a large room.
Did you start out experimentally or computationally to study viruses, or did they become a serviceable, good model for you to study evolution?
Eugene Koonin, Ph.D., NIH Distinguished Investigator, NLM NCBI.
I started my career as an experimental virologist, trying to study RNA viruses, maybe without outstanding success, but soon after, these RNA viruses have indeed become an excellent, probably best at the time, playground for the emerging discipline of comparative genomics, because for the simple reasons that at the time, these were the complete genomes that could be sequenced, not larger ones of cellular organisms or even very large viruses. So the approaches, concepts, and methodologies could be tried efficiently on these objects, and they were.
What got you into the computational tools for understanding viruses?
At the time I was starting this, which was quite a while ago, a few decades ago already, the first complete genomes of any biological entities have started to accumulate. And these biological entities at the time were exclusively small viruses. Various kinds, but all small viruses. And these represented both an opportunity and a challenge. An opportunity because these were complete genomes to compare and try to understand. A challenge because without special effort, without developing dedicated computational approaches, very little could be understood from those sequences. In a sense, they were a disappointment because it was a technological achievement. But at the same time, these were just long strings of 4 letters from which no one could really understand much. That required special efforts. I don't think that the community at the time was entirely prepared for that situation. But that was rectified fairly soon. And I'm very pleased to have played some role in that.
Title: My Early Career as an Experimentalist. An excerpt from A Conversation with Eugene Koonin, Ph.D., November 2022. Gray and blue logo. NIH, NLM, serving scientists and society.